Ever heard of an animal that builds its own dam? Meet the beaver. They're not just expert swimmers, they're nature's best engineers. With their super strong teeth, they can chop down trees faster than an axe. Then they stack branches, mud, and rocks to build dams in rivers. These dams slow the water down, creating a safe home from predators. And here's a twist. Their teeth never stop growing, so they chew on wood constantly to keep them trimmed. They even work in teams like real construction crews. Fun fact, some of their dams can be seen from space. Could you build your own home like a beaver? Follow for more wild animal stories.